Hello, Windrila Ghosh, Morpung Design, Craft Adda, New Delhi. Time and again, I keep getting requests that why do you create so many saris always? Handloom, there are other handloom fabric and material and other dressing, other clothing, other garments in handloom. So why don't you make them? I said, yeah, I do, but then I make it in such small number that they just go in a jiffy. So this time I just thought that, well, let me just, to my people, to my patrons who are across this phone and can't really reach to me because of the of the temporal distance and of course there are other reasons for it. So let me just showcase quickly a handloom collection, a pure hand woven and handloom collection of kurta and dupatta sets. Now the first one, this is a uh, kurta material. So this is basically a Kashida weave. Kashida weave I discovered when we were going to Jaisalmer. In Jaisalmer in Pokhran district. So they have this kind of bhujodi like extra weft weaving, bhujodi like extra weft weaving. So and extremely good quality of cotton, extremely good quality of cotton, and so that is, it's a complete 3 meter fabric. It's a 3 meter fabric. You can actually take out 1 meter, almost half a meter, and and make your blouse, some kind of a blouse combination. So it's basically this, that this part is your the half. If you make a pattern of a kurta like this, so where this part, this is the weaving. This is a pure handloom weaving, complete handloom weaving. And see the color combination, it's a mehendi powder color with maroon. So if I go at a distance, so this kurta comes like this. You can actually make it a kaftan for yourself or any kind of dress patterns. It's a 3 meter handloom fabric, pure handloom fabric. And I have given a dupatta, chanderi dupatta, absolutely lovely chanderi dupatta. So this combination, and chanderi dupatta has this godhna motifs, hand painted godhna motifs. So when I take this blouse and dupatta like this, the kurta and the dupatta, so the combination stands out like this. The combination stands out like this. See, the combination stands out like this. So you just take the dupatta, and so that's the kurta. See how beautiful. So that's the dupatta and that is the kurta. So you just team it up nicely so that the dupatta and the kurta looks very smart. And these are all very contemporary wear, office wear, and kind of a friendly get together. Anywhere you go, you can have this combination nicely done. So this is the dupatta and that is the kurta. Okay. So these two, the set of these two, this is a 3 meter fabric. This kind of the back is this, and lovely hand weave. We promote hand weaves quite in a very creative manner. So the combination of these two is 3600 plus shipping, 3600 plus shipping. Another lovely combination is this Rama green. See the Rama green combination and the thread combination. So this is completely another hand woven beauty, So the upper part has this kind of dots. So it's basically like this. So the sleeves will come out from this. Over there also the sleeves will come out from this part. So you can have a full sleeve kurta, and see it's demarcated also. It's basically the sleeves are demarcated. So that's the combination. So how much long you want to keep it and where you want to keep this, it's completely up to you. So this is the kurta fabric, and I have teamed up this beauty with this jamdani, needle jamdani, absolutely handloom jamdani dupatta. So see, the combination can be mesmerizing. You know, I always say that we create a marriage collection from two states. So this is from Rajasthan, this is Pokhran with West Bengal. So that's the combination. So Jamdani dupatta, it's a huge long dupatta. See how beautiful are the motifs. See how beautiful are the motifs, and completely hand woven. There is no, not a single floating anywhere. There is no floats. Always you would find extra floats floating everywhere. They are palum. I keep telling, I keep warning. So that's the combination. That is the dupatta and the combination of the kurta and dupatta. So that's the very elegant and very smart wear and lovely one. When you wear this kind of a combination, definitely you will be the most unique person around and you would feel very happy. It's always, a dressing is always for your own satisfaction. It is not for others' satisfaction. Or, of course, your styling is your styling. Whatever others are wearing is none of your business and none of their business. So it is your styling and you be very confident about what you are wearing. The most important part of any kind of fashion wear or any kind of dressing up is the comfort level, how much you are comfortable in that particular attire or garment. Then that defines your confidence. Otherwise, if you are not comfortable, you will definitely not get any confidence out of it and you will feel always very, flustered in that. So that is the combination. Second, number 2, 3600 plus shipping. Third combination is this black and maroon. This is a black and short color, maroon short color. It's a multicolored one. So, so that's the combination. That's actually the combination. So basically you can put this like this. Now in this, the sleeves will be from the black part, and so your this part will have, and also, or the sleeves can be, you can take out the sleeves from the bottom. As much you put this down, because this fold is there. So it's a 3-meter fabric. Your tailor would 100% know how to make it. So see, this is the combination of the extra weft weaving, extremely beautiful, and these are heritage weaving of our country. So, and this is, I have teamed this lovely piece of kurta with this, it is a Kulu, it's a Kulu weave, pure combed cotton stole. And it's stole in the sense, yeah, it is not dupatta, full-fledged dupatta I would call it, but it's a bigger, much bigger than a stole. And this has this kind of mesmerizing hand painting, inspired by Rogan art. This is the mesmerizing hand painting inspired by Rogan art. So that's the combination. So that's the kurta and the dupatta. You can actually take it in cross level. So you can do that. But I generally, and otherwise also, I think it's easier to take it one side or else like this around your neckline. So that's the combination. That's a third combination. So this is the painting on both the palla, and so, and that's the whole fabric. So it's a 3-meter fabric. You can actually design as sweetly as you want. Number 4 is a blue lover. It's for the blue lovers who are absolutely in love with blue color. So that's the combination. So this half, the lower half is the kurta. The lower half is the length of the kurta, front length of the kurta. It's like this. And from there only you can make out sleeves. You can get the sleeves done. So here is the work. Lavish kind of a work, lavish kind of an extra weft. It looks like embroidery as in bujori. But it's done by weaving only. It's absolutely, frame loom where they make these things, or pit loom. They in two ways they make this fabric. Initially they used to do it in frame loom, but now they are with the pit loom. you know, the pitlum concept where a person sits down. So that's the combination. That's a Jamdani dupatta. So I have actually, these are all assorted collection. And see, another thing I tell you, see, this is a short color, this is a short color. This is from Rajasthan, Pokhran, this is from Bengal, West Bengal. But see how handloom matches, how each thread, each yarn and each hand woven yarn knows each other, the combination of the color combination. See how beautifully the, you know, the two of the fabrics, hand woven fabrics, had matched with each other. So that's the combination. So that is the combination. So this is the fabulous dupatta, and big one, lovely big one. And you know, that is the kurta. So you can take it cross, you can take it on sides, you can take it like this, so whatever, that's your choice. So this is another combination. So this is fourth combination, I guess, na?
Yes.
Third,
Fourth.
fourth, ye fifth hai. Ha. So this is another one. So this is a little different of the design. The neckline is done like this. The normal, you know, the way we see it in kind of embroidery is been done. So this has the sleeves, you know, border. This is the sleeves border, and so the embroidery is done like this. So sorry. Yeah, so that's the neckline. You can make a kurta patti. You can make a kurta patti neck or something, whatever suits you, whatever neckline suits you. Just do a kurta patti, or just put an orange color, red color patti instead of any kind of, and just hooks inside. So the designing is completely up to you, whatever you want to do. I can get your kurta stitched also. You have to give me your right sizes. So this is steamed up. See, these are the extra weft multicolored work. This is that kashida weave, and the cottons is thick, very thick cotton. Like, I mean, not very thick, it's thick cotton. And till winters you can highly wear it. Particularly people in Western India and Eastern India, they can highly wear it in winter. Delhi and North India, definitely winter needs much more than, you know, this thick cottons. So so this is another lovely hand woven Jamdani dupatta. Hand woven Jamdani dupatta teamed with this. So these are the you know, hand woven temples with the so very smart dupatta, lovely smart dupatta, and very minimalistic design. And that's the kurta. So that's the kurta. I'm a little clumsy maybe showing, you know, suits, because I don't show them very often. So that's the, so I would just hold it like this. I think this is the better way. Yeah, so this is the better way. So that's the kurta and the dupatta. See, lovely combination. Very nice blue and very nice dupatta. So that was also 3600. Now we come to another fabulous combination, and these are, see, it's a yellow, it's a kachi haldi color. It's a kachi haldi color with a combination of short between rust and yellow. So this brownish kind of a color has come. See the amazing combination. Only these combinations are possible if the yarn is pure, natural, and hand woven. So that's the combination. See the combination. So these are the kashida this thing kurta material of 3 meters length. You'll see the combination. That is the if I just put it like this, you can see it better. Yeah, so see the kashida weave. And if you want to see if it's real handloom or not, so I can show you the back side also of it. That's the back side. So now you can figure out that this is complete handloom. There is nothing palloom about it. There is nothing machine about it. It's only the sweat and, you know, the sweat and effort of a poor weaver who keeps weaving, and we enjoy their fruit. So that's the combination, and I have teamed this up with a brilliant madder dye Kotpad dupatta. So this Kotpad dupatta, So now it is Odisha and Gujarat. Sorry, Rajasthan, not Gujarat. Rajasthan. Now this is Kotpar, again a pure hand woven dupatta. So that is the mesmerizing dupatta. That is the mesmerizing dupatta. And so that is the kurta. So that is the mesmerizing dupatta. And see the Kotpar dupatta. It's beautiful and a full-fledged dupatta with a natural dye, natural dye madder color combination. And so that's the kurta. Absolutely, truly ethnic, truly Indian. So this is priced at 4600 plus shipping. Those were 3600 plus shipping. This is 4600 plus shipping. Printed, block printed semi-stitched suits, which can go up to 50 size. So on the sides this is 50. So I'll just it's open from the sides, fully stitched with lining, with soft cotton lining, and semi-stitched combination. So this can go up to 50. The sides can go up to 50. These are big ones. It's pretty loose for me. And that's the sleeve part. That's the sleeve part. Lovely pastel pink color. Lovely pastel pink color. See, it's a beautiful pastel pink color with this kind of hand block. This kind of hand block done. And the back has this full back. The full back has this hand block. The full back has this hand block. This is about 45 in length. 45 in length. And teamed up with another very pretty chiffon dupatta, very pretty chiffon dupatta with full hand block. So it's a like this, it's पूरा hand block है इसमें, और ये lace मैंने डाला है side में. So this is the lace which is matching here also, you can see. So it's a complete set. So this is a gold jal hand block, if you can see. Sorry, my leg touched it. It's a gold jal hand block, if you can see. So that's the dupatta. That's a chiffon dupatta with this. Lovely, because Delhi is so humid and sultry, you can't wear anything else but cottons. So cotton, now the cotton wearability will go till I think the month of October end. वो तो चलेगा. So that kind of a sleeve and that kind of a thing. So it's like this. You just wear it, and so there is no load to it. So this is one, and the set, you just have to get your sides, side stitch done. The side stitch done according to your size, and the set costs, the dupatta and kurta cost 2800. 2800 plus shipping. 2800 plus shipping. Another combination here is this. Another combination here is this. Another combination here is this kurta. So it has this kind of a neckline. I have given a different neckline. Again, this is this is semi-stitched kurta, with full lining, beautiful lining, and properly full stitching done actually. Full stitching done, only the sides needs to be stitched. That's the back of the kurta. That's the back of the kurta. Lovely hand block, see, beautiful hand block. And again, a mehendi colored lace is given with this, and so that's the dupatta. So that's the dupatta. Dupatta has the same kind of hand block which I had shown it to you earlier. So that's the center part. That's the center part of the dupatta. The whole dupatta has a watery like gold jal, and the corners, konya motifs. These are the konya motifs in the block print. So these are basically Jaipur hand blocks. Done in Delhi itself, not in Jaipur. But yes, we call this kind of a pattern in Jaipur hand block. So that's the kurta. See, it's very smart and lovely to to team up with, and you can actually team up with anything plain, this kind of a red kind of a lower, or the base color lower, anything. The third color in this is this pistachio green. It's a pista green, It's a pista green. So that's the color combination. That's the whole kurta. Let me just take it out from the hanger. So that's the color combination. So that's that's all the three has different kind of block prints. So this is like this is like this, and this has this the laces are also given on the sides. It's beautifully stitched, lovely stitching, and the sleeves are this long lovely sleeves and border. So all these are done, and so these are all 2850. The back also has full block print, पीछे भी पूरा ब्लॉक प्रिंट हुआ है, और ऐसा है, आप देखो. And so this has this kind of a combination, and the dupatta is like this. Dupatta also, I'm not opening this, it also has that konia motif and a center motif, konia motif and center motif, and this is the lace, this is the lace work. So beautiful, lovely dupatta, and that's the body jal in gold color. So there are three colors I have shown. One is in pale blue color, one is in this pistachio green, and another is in pink color, the that's a pastel pink shade. So there are three pastel colors in this. This is a matka tussar kurta. This is a matka tussar kurta, like this. It's semi stitched and with a beautiful hand painting, completely nice hand painting, and lovely fabric. This is a matka tussar fabric, you see, very nice, absolutely. So that's the painting on the sleeves. So when you just, and that's the painting on the back, so you just drape it like this. It's a long kurta, long way 44 tak hi hai, kind of. So the sleeves come on your sleeves are like this. It's a round neckline. So your front has this kind of a work. The front has this kind of a work, and so I have just given a jamdani twist to this kurta. So that's the jamdani dupatta. So that's the jamdani twist with it. So it's such a favorite weave of mine that I keep teaming any kind of fashion wear with this jamdani weave. So that's the dupatta. So that's the combination. You can take anything else also. You can actually pick up this kurta just by itself, but I have teamed this dupatta and the kurta. So that's the sleeve part. So you can just put your sleeves, and this is also at 48, kind of 48 size. It's a big size. So that's the kurta. That's the combination. So the price of this kurta and dupatta is 4,000 this kurta and dupatta, because it's a pure matka tussar. Absolutely, there is no blend or no mix of cotton, nothing. It's a pure matka tussar, and so the combination is this. So it's 4,000 is the set price. What I can do is that if you want, I can give a this kind of a brown color lower fabric with this. That will come complementary with this. If you want, I can give it to you. So that is the combination. Now I come to some these quickies. These are, this is that's a satin fabric. That's a satin fabric with this Pintext kind of embroidery. It's not chanderi, but it's a cotton satin kind of a fabric with this Pintext kind of an embroidery. 2.5 meters fabric, and with this chanderi dupatta with kalamkari print. Nothing of there is nothing of hand done anything in this, but that's a kalamkari print. And actually these are silk cotton fabric. People say these are chanderi, but I would not call it chanderi until it is made in chanderi with a GI tag from chanderi. So we should not call it chanderi, but we should call it silk by cotton dupatta. So that's the dupatta. So dupatta is very, very beautiful. See, the dupatta is very beautiful. It's a beautiful color combination, lovely color combination, and that's the kurta. So that's the dupatta. Yeah, see, That's the whole dupatta, and that's the kurta. It's a Pintex kurta, lovely. And that's the lower. That's the lower. Okay, so that is the three combinations. These are the three combinations. These are priced at 2950 plus shipping. 2950 plus shipping. This set, the whole set is priced at 2950 plus shipping. It's an ikkat fabric, beautiful indigo ikkat, with this. The ikkat fabric is basically for the lower part, lower pants. This fabric is for pants, and this is for your kurta. So that's a lovely indigo combination. Extremely nice material. With this, this is the lower fabric. That's the lower fabric. You can make pants out of it. So that's the kurta and the this fabric combination, kurta and this fabric combination. And the dupatta, I have given a very nice grey color dupatta with this, with shibori tie-dye work. So that's a kota, that's a pure kota, cotton kota dupatta, handcrafted dupatta with this. So it's basically that this motifs, if you can figure it out, not so much visible here, is grey in color. So this dupatta, so it's basically you're teaming this kurta with this dupatta, and this is dupatta, and that's the lower fabric. So it's a combination of these three. It's a combination of these three. Okay, very nice ones. 2850 plus shipping. Sorry, 2550 plus shipping. 2550 plus shipping. This Machilipatnam Kalamkari block print on Chenur silk dupatta. It's a Machilipatnam Kalamkari block print on Chenur silk dupatta. That's the dupatta. It's a block print. It's not. It's block print. It's not a पेन कलमकारी नहीं है, ब्लॉक प्रिंट है ये, और मछलीपट्टनम स्टाइल में बना हुआ है ये, श्रीकालाहस्ती का नहीं है, ठीक है. दिस इज दैट. ओके, so that's the one. And with this we have teamed up a bandhej bandhej fabric like this. It's very beautiful, BB pink kind of a shade. So this kind of circles will come in your front panel. This kind of circles will come in your front panel. So that's the combination. Extremely beautiful combination, and very sweet, nice, kind of a sweet 16 kind of combination. So it's like this. Extremely beautiful. Very nice. So this set is for 2850 plus shipping. 2850 plus shipping. With kota dupatta and a lower fabric for the pants. It's a lower fabric for the pants. And so this is the kota fabric. It's a pure hand block, pure cotton kota with hand block. So that's the kurta fabric. So that's the kurta fabric. Lovely one. Extremely beautiful. See, extremely beautiful. So that's the kurta fabric, and that's the dupatta. So, and that's the whole dupatta. So it's your dupatta is matching with your lower. So the dupatta will match with your lower. See, that's the dupatta. That's your kurta fabric. So actually these can be anytime worn, gifted, so that's the combination. That is the combination. Very pretty, and that's the lower fabric. So your dupatta matches with the lower print, lower of the block. This is the lower print, block print, and so that's the dupatta, and that's the pant kapda, and that's the kurta. So that is the combination. So this is 2800 plus shipping. 2800 plus shipping. A khadi cotton in bottle green. See, it's a pure khadi cotton, which for the pants, and that's hand block, sorry, that's a block printed, that's actually block printed kurta fabric. Lovely yellow color, lovely yellow color. So that's the print. Beautiful, no? Isn't it? It's beautiful. So that's the kurta and that's the lower. How can I hold it? Yes, that's the kurta. If I just hold it like this, that's the kurta, that's the lower, and I have teamed up this with this kind of a, again, a lovely hand painted handloom stole from Kulu woven with this kind of Godhna art from Chhattisgarh. Godhna art. This is a Godhna. Godhna means tattoo art. So it's a tattoo art from Chhattisgarh. So that's the, and see the colors, you know, this color, that's a green. It's a green combination. So, and the colors and the prints and everything is matching. So that is the combination. That's, I have teamed up this. This is the combination I have teamed up. So you keep shaking, you keep taking the chiffons, this and the same print and all that. So I always love to give some twists to the designing, and so that's the combination. So you, in this way, I can encourage both the craft, the art, and the weave, and you know, handloom and handcraft, which is always our motto. So this is the second last one. This combination is second last one. This is priced at 3200 plus shipping. This set is priced at 3200 plus shipping. And this is the last one. This is the last one in this. So I think we are running out of time. It's almost 30 minutes over. So I think so that's the kurta. That's the neckline. These buttons are also given. So the embroidery work, it is machined with hand and machine both. I mean, some are done with machine embroidery, and this, you know, this French knots are done by hand. So it's a hand and machine work. So this would come like this. The kurta, this neckline would come like this. Then you have this soft mull cotton dupatta with the hand block. Soft mull cotton dupatta with hand block print like this. Yes. So that's the dupatta. Yeah. Very soft and nice. Very nice actually. So this is the combination. So that's the dupatta will come like this, and so this is the lower and this is the lower part. So this is the combination, the dupatta and the fabric and the lower. So this is priced at 1850 plus shipping. 1850 plus shipping. So this is the last of the series, and please write to me and let me know whichever you want. I'll give you the details. Thank you.